The current conception of the evolution and transmigration of living systems is an understanding fundamentally rooted in the conception of life as a purely biological mechanism, arising only in a universe governed purely by physical laws. This presumption arises from a fundamental misinterpretation of the structure of reality and its nature. Therefore, it is understandable that humans would interpret what they see before them as either signs of an invisible creator or a process purely governed by physical laws. In truth, both are in fact correct from their perspectives, and both eventually lead to the same conclusion, that the very structure of all things ultimately arises within consciousness. Scientists are beginning to discover this fact now through their research with water and DNA. They are seeing that water has properties which emergently mimic the DNA structure. They are observing the water forming chiral bonds with the DNA molecule, forming its own double helix. Furthermore, scientists are discovering that water itself transmits an electromagnetic signal, which naturally transmits the information of whatever DNA was last contained within it. This signal can be received by water as well, and scientists in labs have been able to produce new DNA by transmitting this signal through the internet to another lab. The implications of these discoveries should be clear to anyone who considers them for a moment. The main electromagnetic transmitter of information near Earth is the Sun. The Earth and our Sun. Our Sun is directly connected to our galactic heart, which is connected to the cosmic heart. The universe is a network of life, in the same way that the internet is a network of information. The experiences of life are recorded in the planetary heart, which constantly transmits its information to the solar heart, which in turn is connected to the galactic heart and then the cosmic heart. This connection is non-local because its mechanism is embedded within the fabric of reality as Planck-scale quanta, within an incompressible structure known today as a proton. In effect, the only reason any phenomena persists at all is because protons continue to accumulate information due to consciousness observing phenomena. Because water is an emergent phenomena of consciousness, it is reasonable to assume that DNA is as well. DNA is not merely a happenstance molecule of life. It is the only complex molecule of its kind, a uniquely suited structure for performing the task it does, which is the expression of life in an environment that possesses water, which is itself uniquely emergently capable of transmitting DNA information through the M spectrum, which is in itself an emergent property of the structure of reality, which is only consciousness, referencing itself from conception to form. Thus, life is inextricably and emergently interassociated with the very physics of reality. Biology is physics expressing life. Physics is the mechanics of consciousness relating to itself.